Joe Beermaster here. Today I'm going to show you how to change a tail light on a BMW X6, how to change the bulb. All you want to do is open that hatch. Every car is different and they all have different methods of getting them out. And on this BMW, we're going to work on the opposite side because we have a little left things over here. There's this little panel on both the left and right side. We're going to open that up. Just pull on that. BMW made this really easy, relatively. And if you look inside here, there's your bulbs, believe it or not. And each one of these little tan things is a bulb. And basically you would untwist it. I'm going to try to twist it out, can it clockwise. And there's your bulb. Now to get that bulb out of that socket, you just pull it straight out. I'm doing this one-handed, so. Then there's little numbers on that bulb, on the base of it. I'm going to put it back in. So there's no wire that goes to it. It just runs off pretty much a circuit there. Now if you want to take the tail lamp assembly out, you see there's some 8mm bolts in here. There's one, two, there's a third one down there, and you would take them out, loosen it, and once that gets loosened, you want to come around the outside. You want to first try to wiggle it. I'm not going to actually do it on this car. And as you're pulling with one hand, you sort of want to give it a little hit off to the side, like a little boom, boom. There's little clips in here that hold it in. It's got to slide out of them clips. So that's a trick with a lot of these taillights. Give it a little hit. And then the tail light will come out. And you can change the bulbs afterwards, or you can do it just by going through that access panel. And that's it. Joe Beermaster.